everyone, it's me Zamzam Saqib here and I'm sharing with you juicy fruit chaat recipe. I'm using here mango juice because it has thick consistency. Apples पर मैंने शुगर को स्प्रिंकल किया है because if you sprinkle the sugar on your fruit then ये black नहीं होते. So fruit को black होने से बचाने के लिए आप इस पे शुगर को स्प्रिंकल करके then इसे जूस में ऐड करें. Same as do for banana. And then I will add the strawberry and the guava. You can use the other fruits too. आप अपनी पसंद के fruits का भी use कर सकते हैं. So put some chaat masala and mix all the ingredients well. Sprinkle some crushed almond and coconut, and the amazing recipe juicy fruit chaat is ready to serve. I hope you people like it. Enjoy, share and subscribe. Try this recipe, share your feedback in the comment box, and dear friends, I bet you after trying this recipe you will never try the old one. आप कभी भी वो dry fruit chaat खाना पसंद नहीं करेंगे इस चाट को खाने के बाद. Thanks for watching.